Access control solutions provided by TRS Consulting and Solutions, your trusted technology solutions provider serving the greater Cincinnati area, specializing in network, phone, internet, camera security, access control, digital signage, and more. Access reimagined, utilizing versatile access methods such as face recognition, Apple Touch Pass, one-click mobile unlock, pocket key fob, access card, PIN code, and occupant directory, featuring an elegant, durable, and user-friendly intercom with door access for the modern building. Welcome occupants and visitors, secure deliveries, and reinforced security infrastructure like never before. Our solutions feature enterprise-grade uninterruptible access for controlling up to 8 doors per hub, including integrations and installations for emergency input for fire alarm, and additional inputs and relays for accessories, fail secure and fail safe lock options. Contact us for any of your technology needs. We're always glad to help.